Hello students, in the previous video we have done class 9th maths chapter 1st exercise 1.1. Today we will do exercise 1.2. First question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. First question is, every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. As I have told you earlier, this is true because real number includes rational numbers and irrational numbers. And we can draw it on the number line. It means irrational number on the number line. Second is, every point on number line is of the form root m, where m is a natural number. Now we know that natural numbers are never negative. This statement is false because natural numbers are never negative and number line has negative positive all numbers. For example, root 8 equal to 2 root 2. If we take value of m equal to 8, then its answer will be in decimal form. So this statement is false. Third is, every real number is an irrational number. Every real number is an irrational number. This is also same as I have told you earlier that real number is combination of rational and irrational. For example, if we take any number 3, now we can write 3 in the form 3 over 1. But 3 is not a irrational number. It is a rational number. It is in the form of p over q and 1 is non-zero. Then next is, second question is, all the square roots of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example. Give an example of the square root of the number that is rational number. Now we will solve this with the help of an example. Its answer will be no, because for example, if we take a root 9 equal to square root of 9 equal to 3, square root of 49 equal to 7, 36 equal to 6 and 100 equal to 10, and we can write 3, 7, 10 in the form of 3 over 1, 7 over 1, 10 over 1. These all are rational numbers. Next is, show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. Now we have to represent under root 5 on the number line. How we will solve it? We will solve this question with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what was Pythagoras theorem? In this theorem, we take one hypotenuse. This is OB. OB, this is hypotenuse. OA is the base and AB is the perpendicular. Hypotenuse square equal to B square plus P square. B for base, P for perpendicular. Now what is hypotenuse? How we will get root 5? Root 5 equal to under root 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now how to represent these numbers on the number line? Root 5 on the number line. First of all, we will take a number line. We will draw a number line. And we will take distance of from 0 to 2. 2 units. 2 units distance we will take. Why we will take 2 units? Because 2 square is 4. And on this side perpendicular we will take 1. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Then in this way we will get a hypotenuse equal to 5. That's why we will take here 2, here 1. Then we will take the help of compass and we'll take this distance with the help of compass and draw it with the help of compass. Here this distance will be from O to B. OB equal to root 5. In this way we have drawn OB equal to root 5 on the number line. This is the required answer. Thank you.